what we're doing today? Can you guess? Beach waves! We're doing beach waves with the fabulous Lisa Vella. She's back, and she's going to show us how to get that beautiful just off the beach look. I don't look like that when I get out of the sea, though. This takes a little bit of manicuring, I think. So anyway, she's going to show us how to perfect it. It's the look we're going for. Beach swept. Let's see how it's done. And hi, Michelle. Welcome
Hi, thank you.
What do we start with? Curling iron?
We start with, well, things you need.
Things
curling
we need.
iron.
Yeah.
Bigger barrel curling iron
Okay.
is always a good thing. You don't want one that's too small, and you don't want it to be too curly. Because
love
we're
a
doing
large
waves.
barrel around here.
We're doing large barrels.
Insert the joke.
Comb.
Aren't I terrible? Comb.
Comb. Comb.
Just to throw you off.
Hairbrush.
Hairbrush. Any kind of hairbrush?
Any kind of hairbrush.
Yeah,
Just
okay.
to smooth out the hair prior to curling.
All right.
And some clips.
Some clips.
to help
All right.
separate.
These
the
are
hair.
fancy clips. These are nicer than my cheap
They're
clips.
good.
They are
They're
good clips.
They hold well.
Okay.
So to start off, all we have to do is we want to section out the hair first.
When you okay. Here's my thing. Everybody says just section out the hair,
Yeah.
right? I feel like I've got 98 sections in my hair. How do you
No.
section out the hair?
So what I do as a guideline is I go behind the ears,
Behind the ears.
all the way back,
You grab it.
grab it,
Okay. There we
and
go.
then you're going to clip it up.
Okay.
So you're going to want to start at the bottom, and
Okay.
you're going to grab about 1.5 inches
Okay.
sections. You don't want small sections.
Because
it's a beach wave. It's supposed to
Beach
be
wave.
a bigger wave. There you
it's
go.
that, not that.
Right. See, exactly.
I got it.
And you want it to be messy, tousled.
I can do messy and
You
tousled.
you don't want it to be structured because beach
Okay.
waves are not structured.
Yes.
And the important thing is they're not curls. You don't
Okay.
want curls.
Okay.
So we're not using
not
the
gonna-
full wrap around the
Okay.
iron.
I want to see how you do
Okay.
this.
So like a
I want to see
cake.
how you use a curling iron
Yeah.
for non-curls.
Okay, now this is a wand.
Okay.
Okay. This, for most people, will have a glove that comes with it. For those who are non-experienced wand users, please
Have we
use the
made-
glove.
So how?
Or
What do you
else-
mean a wand? Just a.
This is a wand because it doesn't have the clamp.
Okay.
So the
okay.
clamp is a
okay.
curling iron.
So if you've
this
got
is
the
a
one
curling
with
wand.
the clamp, can you just use
You
it
can use that as well.
closed?
Yes,
Okay.
100%.
So you don't have to go out and buy new tools.
Or you could just hold the clamp open because you don't want to get a little rivet in the hair,
Okay.
and wrap it around
Got
that
it.
as well.
All right. Let's see this in
Make
action.
sense?
Let's see this in action.
So what you're going to do, again, the bigger section,
Yep.
you're going to wrap it around
Okay.
away from the face
Okay.
1.5 times.
What do you mean 1.5 times?
So
So
you
not
wrap
all
it-
the way to the end.
Not all the way to the end.
Got
You're
it.
going down about 3/4 of the way,
Got it.
and
Okay.
then you're going to release it,
Okay.
and
Release.
it will curl,
And it will curl, but not curl.
but not curl. It will kink the hair. It will add a nice wave to the hair.
I see.
Yes.
Okay. And that's it. That's it.
Well,
Then you walk
that's
away?
it for this one, and then you
Okay.
have to do
then
the rest.
Of course. So we're doing this all over the head.
You're doing section by section, sides, frontal,
Yes. Okay.
okay? And then it's going to look like spaghetti.
Fabulous. All right. And then we're going to use product in it. What are we going to do
Yes.
next?
So what I suggest and what I love using for beach waves
Yeah.
is a sea salt spray.
Ooh. It's really
Fancy.
beachy. It's very beachy.
It's
Actual
fantastic.
sea salt spray.
This
I'm not
adds
kidding.
That adds texture
Okay.
to the hair, and it
Okay.
makes the hair a bit gritty.
Ooh.
Does that make
Now,
sense?
What about
Because
someone
You know,
the
when you're
beach.
on the beach,
Yeah.
your hair is a bit gritty, right? A little bit of sea
in a
salt.
nice smelling,
In a
glamorous
nice,
way.
smelling, glamorous way. 100%. If you have finer hair,
Yeah.
another thing I like to use just
Yeah.
to finish the look
Right.
is there's dusting powders.
Ooh.
A lot of people know about these.
Okay.
If you have finer hair, a little bit of dusting at the roots.
Okay.
And give it a little oomph,
Zhuzhing.
zhuzhing,
One of those.
and it will give volume
Nice.
and
Nice.
add again to the texture of the beach wave.
This is beautiful.
I love the zhuzh.
Yeah,
Does it feel
zhuzh is
good?
good, right?
Feels
It feels good, right? I know.
Can't go wrong with some zhuzh.
So this is how you do it. This is how you do the beautiful beach wave. Okay, sorry. beach wave. Look, everybody. So talk to Lisa on social media if you have any questions. She's always around. And say hi to Michelle while you're at it too. And by all means, please tell us your beach wave stories, disastrous or great. We want to hear them, citizens. Let us know.